Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the Speechify Chrome extension. If you want to use the Speechify Google Chrome extension, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to open Google browser on a device, and from here you just need to search Speechify extension. So search that, and here you will see the option of Speechify Chrome extension. Click on it, and here you will see the option of Chrome Web Store, and under that you will see the option of Speechify text to speech voice reader. So click on it and click on the option of add to Chrome, and a pop-up will appear saying add to extension. So click on it, and the download process will start on your device. So if you go on the download section, the download has already been done. So you just need to open downloads on laptop or PC where you're installing it. So from here you just need to click on the option of what do you want to listen to, and click on the option of continue. So simply follow the on-screen instruction, and from here you need to simply start your voice and click on the option of continue. You may also set your listening speed, so if you want to use it faster you may simply drag this, but if you want to slower you may simply do it like this. And click on the option of continue and simply click on the option of continue, and from here you just need to sign into your Speechify account. So simply sign in with the Speechify account which you have already created from your mobile app, but if you have not created you may simply create your account from this page. And after doing all of it you just need to follow the on-screen instruction, and you will be able to add this Speechify extension to your Chrome. So as you can see, I have already added this Speechify extension to my Chrome. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.